Oh, zoomed in here. Let's zoom out. There we go. Here we go. Let's flip it around. There we go. We're on a big mountain. Going down. It's pretty fun. Haven't wrecked today. Hopefully I don't on camera. That'd be the worst. Hopefully it's not too windy. Go by a tree here. Yeah. Way cool. Way cool. Slowing up here. Here's Mary. She's the one with the white pants. Awesome. Peeks away in the back. You can see him. It's Canada. I don't know if you can. Way back there. Awesome. To be continued.